Hey guys, welcome to MathJoy. In this video, we want to find the value of this fraction 8 plus 8 times 8 over 8. Are you ready to solve? Let's go and get started. Instead of our fraction, we can write parentheses the numerator, which is 8 plus 8 times 8 divided by denominator, which is 8. So the numerator divided by denominator. Now we have this parentheses and this division. According to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. Okay, so here first we have to do this parentheses, and inside this parentheses we have one addition and one multiplication. Multiplication comes before addition, so now we have to do this multiplication. 8 times 8 gives us 64. So we have 8 plus 64 divided by 8. 8 plus 64 gives us 72. So we have 72 divided by 8. And this is equal to 9. So therefore, our final answer to this problem is just 9.